Hey guys, welcome to Girl Crafty 213. So today I'm gonna trade of selling. So this is this first black spotted cake. Drizzle one is spotted with cream, but it's a bit like pink/around. So this for trace very squishy. So yeah, so then if you can trade with me too, if this is for sales for 60 cents. Next I have is this half yellow and black half cake, which is this. You spotted too. So this has no defects. There's only that he didn't cut properly. Oh yeah, there's a little defects here, a small hole there. So this is grape cream. I say it's grape cream because I don't use white cream. So it's also very squishy. Yeah, and then the top. So that's for trade or sales. That's cost 70 cents. No, this cost 60 cents. This cost 50 cents. So yeah, this for trade to this white cream, and this is grape cream. So yeah, see you guys later. Bye.